Welcome, dear one. Close your eyes and imagine stepping into a moonlit observatory. The dome above you opens to a sky embroidered with constellations, each star humming a lullaby just for you. Tonight, we dissolve the myth of effort and awaken the alchemist within, the part of you that turns stillness into gold. Let's begin with stardust breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, as if gathering constellations into your lungs. Exhale slowly through parted lips, releasing shimmering light. 3 cycles. Inhale the cosmos, exhale radiance. Again. Once more. Feel the air around you soften. You are safe here, held by the universe itself. Place your right hand gently over your heart. Feel its rhythm, your personal drumbeat of creation. Whisper with me, I am the universe breathing itself into form. My presence is my power. Now, trace a tiny spiral on your left palm with your fingertip. This spiral symbolizes infinite potential. As you draw it, imagine your desires swirling into being, effortless and sure. Let this spiral be your anchor tonight. Let these words from Tagore guide us. You can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. But tonight, we won't stare. We'll let the sea carry us. Trust the current. Envision yourself as a mountain. Your roots plunge deep into the earth's core, veins of amethyst and emerald. Your peaks touch the sky, crowned with eternal snow. Breathe in. The wind sculpts valleys around you. Breathe out. Your stability is unshakable. Feel the cool quartz beneath your feet. Hear the distant echo of a waterfall, the sound of time itself flowing. You are timeless, unmoving, complete. If your mind drifts to tomorrow's worries, invite them to nestle in your valleys. They cannot disturb your stillness. Now, a waterfall of liquid starlight cascades over you. It glimmers like molten silver, washing away doubt. As it pools at your feet, it forms a mirror reflecting your divine blueprint, the truest version of you. I remember who I am. See your reflection smile. If thoughts arise about chores or deadlines, gently place them on a lotus leaf and let them float downstream. Watch them disappear into the horizon. Step into a corridor of archways. Each arch is etched with symbols of your deepest desires, a heart for love, a coin for abundance, a quill for creativity. Walk slowly. At the end, a door pulses with golden light. Knock once. It opens. Before you stands your future self, radiant, peaceful, eyes sparkling with knowing. They extend a key shaped like your heartbeat. Take it. They whisper, you're already here. You reply, thank you for waiting. Feel the key warm in your hand. This is your permission slip to release striving. Listen, the universe is a symphony. Violins of starlight, drumbeats of supernovas, flutes of solar winds. Hum softly, letting your voice harmonize. Feel vibrations in your chest rewriting old stories into new sonnets. You are both composer and audience. No effort, only resonance. A flower blooms in your palm. Its petals are folds of time. Each layer reveals a desire already fulfilled. First petal, the scent of jasmine, your dream home. Second petal, velvet texture, a thriving career. Third petal, golden light, boundless joy. A friendly firefly circles the bloom. It winks as if to say, "Told you it was easy." Smile. You are the gardener and the garden. Repeat silently, "I am the question and the answer." As you do, spin a tiny galaxy in your mind's eye, swirling blues and purples. No effort, just curiosity. Watch it expand, then dissolve into stardust. A golden silk cocoon wraps around you, spun by cosmic spiders. Inside, your cells hum. You are safe to expand. Breathe into this warmth. You are reborn, yet always whole. The moon pours you a cup of tea. Steam curls into spirals. Sip slowly. Taste. Lavender, trust. Honey, sweetness. A hint of stardust, magic. Bow to your heart. Whisper, "The work is done. The work is joy." Wiggle your fingers and toes. When ready, open your eyes, carrying this peace into the world. You are not waiting for magic. You're learning to speak its language.